Hi, this is Mike from Action Home Services. Right now we're gonna talk about a heated porch versus a traditional snow removal method. First of all, as a traditional method, you will have to do it yourself. You have to wake up earlier and shovel the snow yourself, or you have to hire a company and hope they will show up on time to make sure your driveway is fully shoveled and clear when you're ready to go outside. Also, scraping the snow and the salt off the surface can damage the surface you have, can scratch it, and if you have an expensive finish, that can cost you a lot of money. Why we would recommend choosing Action Home Services and installing a heated system for your porch or your driveway is you don't have to worry about snow and ice buildup at all. You have a worry-free winter with a heated porch system. You are free from risk of falling and slipping on your porch because it's heated. You simply set an automation that by a certain time you want your porch to be clear of snow, and the heated driveway system does it for you. You don't have to shovel the snow, you don't have to hire a company to remove snow. It's all done by you and it's fully automated. Called Action Home Services. We will prepare an estimate for you. We will design a complete backyard, front porch and the driveway. And if you would like it to be heated, we will also do it for you.